Okay, so my dear students, yesterday we were doing chapter The Tiny Teacher. So we were discussing back exercise, but in your back exercise, I am not satisfied with the questions which are given at the back, because at the back you have been given only these two questions that we have discussed yesterday. See, we have discussed only these two questions. So I am not satisfied with the back exercise. So that's why I have thought to make some of the question from your own side. So other student bandwidth is low, it's better if you all keep your videos off. All of you keep your videos off, okay, because bandwidth is so low. So I have written some of the question on the board. First question that I have framed, that is describe anthills. Second question that I have framed is what is special about the working style of ants. And third question that I have taken is, so you jot down all these questions in your notebook, because we are supposed to discuss all these questions in class and then we will be doing in notebook. Okay? So write down, how would you describe the queen hand? How would you describe the queen hand? Okay? And now I have taken question number 4. So write down question number 4 also. What do you mean by wedding? What do you mean by wedding? Flight of the wedding. Flight of the queen and. So dear student, you write down these questions side by side. I will be dictating you also. How do the grubs grow? So are you writing the questions? And last question that I have taken is, how do ants use the green fly? So only these 6 questions I have taken, so that I am going to discuss it with you. So dear students, let's take question number first. Describe ant hills. Describe ant hills. Okay. So for this answer, I am providing you some hints. Take out your books and find out the meaning of ant hills, because we have done this chapter in detail. I have spent 2 days on this. Okay, so find out the meaning of ant hills. I am providing you hint. If you go through page number 2 of your book, so you can find out the meaning of ant hill very easily. So my dear students, you just go this page very carefully. See, this is page number 3 of your literature book. Here the meaning of ant hill is given. So you can get hints from there. So get ready with your answer. Who is going to describe ant hills? Who is going to describe ant hills? Raise your hands. I want maximum participation. Content is in front of you, but you will not copy content as it is. You will be framing the answer on your own. You can get hints from this page, because here content is given, but you should write down this answer in your own way. So 6 students have raised their hands. All students should be ready. First I will be asking this answer from any of the child who is raising hand. After that all participants should be ready. I can ask first answer from any of the child. So okay, uh, Jasleen, you tell me this answer. Very good. Perfect answer you have spoken. Now get ready, other students, those who are not raising their hands, but I can call them to tell me the answer. Okay? So you should be ready. Yes, Namya, your answer is ready. Why? Content is in front of you. I have shared page. So I have given you, I have provided you so many hints. Just start framing this answer. What can you frame? Tell me. Water and hills. Hurry up. Frame in your own language. Yes. Okay. And you can elaborate it. Yes. Good. Hurry up. You can elaborate that each house, each ant hill has hundred of. Beta, right in front of you, this answer is there, and still, Namya, you are not able to speak. I'm so surprised. I'm so surprised. I have shared page to you, still you are not able to frame this answer. Namya, are you listening to me? Speak this answer, hurry up. Yes, speak. Very good, very good. I'm so surprised. Namya, content is in front of you and you are not able to frame 3 4 lines. So strange. Put your effort, hurry up. Start frame this answer. Start framing. No problem if page is not visible. You can open your own literature books. You can open your books. You can open page number 3. If this page is not giving a clear view, it is blur. So you can open your literature books. You can speak from there. I have provided you only hint that this page you have to open. So Namia, you are not giving a good performance. Very, very bad. Okay, Anmol Singh, you tell me the answer. Yes. But you just mold this answer, pick up this content, but try to frame this answer in your own words. You have to tell that ant hills are basically the nests, and in these nests, ants live, and each ant hill has lots of rooms and passages, near about 100. And in some of the rooms, the queen ant lays eggs, and in other rooms, there are different types of ants. So by picking up that content, you can frame this answer. Okay. Now let's move to question number second. Question number second we have is, what is special about the working style of ant? So who is going to frame second answer? What is special about the working style of ant? What is special about? Frame this answer. What is special about working style? I provide you this. See, because all are divided on the basis of labor. There are different categories and no one interferes in the work of others. So, who is going to tell me this answer second? This answer you can find out by reading page number 4. You go through page number 4 carefully, and by reading this page number 4 you can find out the answer. Okay. Harmanpreet, I am giving you chance to speak. Afterwards, I can call any of the child who are not raising their hands in the class. So, Harmanpreet, you tell me this answer. Are taken care. Are taken care. Wait, Jalashveer, you tell me second answer. Yes, Jalashveer. Yes, tell me second answer. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, now let's move to question number third. In question number third, I have written, how would you describe the queen ant? How would you describe the queen ant? You can find out this answer by reading last two lines of page number 3. Here description of the queen ant is given, which is given on page number 3. So get ready with third answer. How would you describe the queen ant? Guneet, you tell me this answer. Yes, Guneet? Okay. So queen ant basically it is the mother of the entire population of the area. Okay. And it has a lifespan of near about 15 years. So this answer I'm going to ask other students also get ready. Janvi. Janvi, you tell me this answer better. What have you written in this? Yes, Janvi. Okay. And this is there is need only to tell about the designation that queen ant is the basically mother of all the entire population of that area, and its lifespan is near about 15 years. That's all about that. Now let's move to question number 4. Question number 4, I have written, what do you mean by wedding flight of the queen ant? So what do you mean by wedding flight? What do you mean by wedding flight? When does it take place? How does it take place? What is basically that? So for that you can find out this answer by reading page number 4. So my dear student, you can open page number 4 from your books. You can read it thoroughly and you can find out fourth answer. I have provided you hints. If this picture is blur, you can open your books. You keep your books and notebooks in front of you along with pen and pencils. You underline the lines, get content from your book, but frame your answer in your own language, bache. Don't copy the content as it is. Use good vocabulary words, write down in a good tone, arrange all the ideas properly. Grammatical error should not be there. So, by reading this text, you can find out this answer number 4 very easily, that what is the meaning of wedding flight of the queen ant. So, I want maximum participation. I'm so disappointed today, 7th B. I'm really disappointed with you because today in my class only 5 students are raising their hands, and I am providing you hints also. I'm sharing pages with you also. Only 5 students, 6 students, they are raising hands. What about others? Today you are not enthusiastic to give me the answer. You don't have any ideas? Ideas I'm giving you, providing you. Pages I'm sharing with you. Very simple questions I have framed. Are you finding these questions so difficult? Isn't it? These questions are difficult for you, bache. So who is going to tell me? I'm going to ask any of the child who is raising hand. After that, other participants should be ready. Those who have never raised their hands. Okay, Jasleen from 7th B. Jasleen, you tell me this answer. Yes. Yes. It leaves its nest. Yes. Ja- Okay. Your voice was not properly audible, but you have tried well. Okay. Now this answer I'm going to ask to Angel Verma. Angel, you tell me this answer, bachche. Yes, Angel. Angel Verma, you never participated in my class. What is the reason behind? I have given you hints. Bachche, tell me this answer. What is wedding flight? Angel, what have you written in this answer? Okay, good. So basically, wedding flight takes place only on a hot summer day. So you can frame one line on that, that this wedding flight takes place when there is a hot summer day. So on this day, what happens? The queen leaves its nest. Okay, it goes out to meet a male ant, or you can say another name for male ant is drone. Okay, so they go up high in the air, and when they return to the earth, it sheds off its wings. Okay, it sheds off its wing, and it does nothing but lay only eggs. Okay, so this is the meaning of wedding flight. Now let's move to next question. Next question we have is question number 5. What do the grubs, sorry, how do the grubs grow? So you should know the meaning of grubs. I have told you so many times yesterday also, a day before yesterday, when I was explaining you the chapter. So who is going to tell me the meaning of grub? In question I have taken a word grub in order to enhance your vocabulary. So how many students remember this word grub? Text me. Tell me the meaning of grub. Hurry up. Let me read. Okay, Arshia has sent me right answer. Only Arshia. Very good. Only one girl knows the answer. Okay, Jasleen also knows. So out of near about 47 students, only Akshita, Samriddhi, Guneet, Drishti and Angel. Angel, your answer is not right, beta. Namya, not right. Jalashveer, Harmanpreet. Only these students were, I think, present in my class when I was explaining you the chapter. Only they are, because when I was explaining you the chapter, so many times I have used that word grubs. So when I was framing questions, so that's why I thought that I should include this word in the question so that I can ask my students, they can enhance your knowledge by learning this new word grub. So only near about 10 to 12 students, Harmanpreet, Aryan, Jalashveer, Namya, Angel, Drishti, these students have sent me answer. So grub means young one of ant. Baby ant is known as grub. So in this fifth question, you have to elaborate in detail how do the grubs grow? How do the grubs grow? Okay. So start finding this answer. How do the grubs grow? This answer also you can find out from the same page. You can find out. For that, I am going to share this page with you for your convenience. So you also open this page. You can find out this answer from this page. You just describe how do grubs grow. So who is ready with their answers? Only 9 students. It is given right in front of you. Go through this page again very carefully and start finding the content, and with this content frame this answer in your own words. Again I am putting emphasis on this thing. Don't copy the ideas. You can take the ideas, you can take hints, but formation of the sentences you do on your own. So I am going to ask uh, Akshita Saini. Okay, Akshita, you tell me this answer. Very good. Perfect answer you have spoken. Very good. Perfectly written. That is good. Now, other students, I'm going to ask this answer from Ashima. Sorry, from Anmol Singh. Anmol Singh, what have you written in this answer? Anmol Singh, what have you written in this answer? Anmol is not responding in class. Anmol, are you able to listen to me? So according to this question, you have to tell that the grubs are basically the young ants and they are protected by the soldiers. They are fed, they are cleaned by workers. The workers take the grubs out daily for airing, for taking exercise and to take sunlight. Okay, to expose to sunlight. Now let's move to question number last. How do ants use the green fly? Very simple one. How do you use the green fly? This answer is right, also right in front of you. You can go through the last paragraph. You can go through the last paragraph very carefully, and here you can get a hint for your answer. How do ants use the green fly? So you should be ready with your answer by reading last page. How do ants use the green fly? How do ants use green fly? Okay. Now I am not going to ask this answer from the student who always raise their hands. Let me find out other. Okay. Tanya. Tanya, you tell me answer of last question. Yes, Tanya, what have you written? How do ants use the green fly? How do ants use the green fly? Very good. Very well written. So, beta, your answer was perfect. So, why don't you raise your hand in the class? If you have framed a good answer, you should participate in class. You should raise your hands. Okay, bachche? Now, Riddhima. Sorry. Riddhima. Riddhima, you tell me this answer. Okay, Riddhima, what's your answer? What have you written, Riddhima? Yes, Riddhima, bachche, what have you written? How do ants use the green fly? Riddhima is not responding in class. I think she is not able to listen to me. Yes, I know Riddhima is a very good girl. Okay, Arshia, you tell me what have you written? Yes. Riddhima is not audible. Okay, Arshia, you tell me and please speak loudly. Yes, good. As human beings, we milk the cow to fulfill our basic need. Okay, if we want to have milk, we milk the cow. So same like that, the ants use green fly. So these green fly, what do they provide them? They provide them honey dew whenever they touch them with their fillers. Okay, so my dear student, if you are not able to write down these questions, you can write down now. All these questions are right in front of you. You can write down, and you are supposed to do all these questions in your fair notebook. Okay, so now time is running out. I have to over my class. I have to move to next class also. So bache, write down all these questions. Write down all these questions, and by tomorrow you complete your English fair notebooks and do all these 6 answers in your fair notebook. You are supposed to do these 6 questions in your fair notebook, because in back exercise only 2 questions are given which are not of, so I think so, good quality. So that's why I have taken these 6 questions, so that my dear students can enhance their knowledge. Okay students, now thank you and have a nice day. Do your work daily, and whenever you face any kind of difficulty, you can ask me. So now let's, 2 students are raising their hands. Let me take their doubts. Okay. Okay, Drishti. Yes, Drishti, what do you want to say, bachche? Yes, Drishti. Speak this thing in English. Yes, in back exercise only 2 questions are given. So you have to do those 2 questions also, but these are not of good quality. So that's why I have taken these 6 questions. So you have to do those 2 questions also from back exercise, and these 6 also that I have shared with you. Okay, bachche? Clear? Okay, student. Okay, bachche. Thank you. Thank you and have a nice day. Study well. Take care of yourself.